Today I will tell you about some common animal sounds. The sound of cow is moo, and the sound of cat is mew. The sound of bull is moo or bellow. And the sound of buffalo is grunt, snort, or bellow. The sound of a goat is bleat. The sound of sheep is also bleat. The sound of dog is bark. The sound of wolf is howl. Sound of horse is neigh or whinny. Sound of both donkey and zebra is bray. And please share the video so that others can also learn. I encourage you to put your comments below. Your feedback will allow me to improve the contents of my future videos.